Why does screen mirroring have no sound? Mirroring your screen but no sound? Let's fix that step by step. So first, check both your phone and TV volume. Sometimes audio is muted or routed to Bluetooth headphones. Second, go ahead and head over to your settings and then go ahead and look for the sound settings from here. So once you find that, click on it and then make sure to set to play through your TV or HMI and not the phone speaker. Turn off Bluetooth devices, headphones, or speakers can hijack audio during mirroring. Update your phone and TV software, then restart both devices before reconnecting. Most sound issues come from audio output misconfiguration. Switch to TV output and restart, problem solved. That's the easy fix for screen mirroring with no sound.